Hey, this is Dr. Chaffin. I am a senior instructor for SI Institute here in Phoenix. We are coming to North Scottsdale to do a lecture on 4 procedure categories to advance your dental practice. I believe it's going to advance your practice from a clinical nature and roll into the financial world to free your practice up financially. You know, there are cases like this one behind us. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it through this little short snapshot video here. Case is full of infection. The guy's losing all his teeth. The guy walked in the office and said, I want all the teeth pulled. I want to get implants and I want bridge work. Okay, great. Easy treatment plan. Awesome, ethical. We can totally do it for you. But the question is, now that we know the treatment plan, how are you going to do the case? Are you going to extract the case and do all 12 implants at one shot? To my dental students, are you fast enough as a doctor to do 12 implants? Are you going to use sedation while doing it? And how are you going to prepare restoratively to be able to get this gentleman into fixed prosthetics that look absolutely amazing? So our lecture is actually going to go into a couple different principles. Sedation, should we use it? Should we not? What are some courses and things you can take? How does it change the practice? We're going to go into restorative principles and go through case types of the case types that when you lose your teeth, what happens? Everybody knows the Fab 3, dentures, hybrids, which is all on 4. When should you do it? When should you not? As well as your fixed bridge work. Then we'll actually go into the 5 case types of simpler cases that are just restorative driven, and we case type that based on complexity. So we go in a little bit into that as well. The third section we're going to be talking about is implant dentistry. Implants are a wonderful world. There's a lot of good training programs out there. To learn and master a skill, you need to be educated, trained, hardcore, so you can implement it into your office. And that's what SI is about. We have a 4-day course that we'll go into that is pretty substantial. We've done a lot of training and retraining of doctors to gain speed, confidence, and skill. Most of our students get about 18 placements before they leave in 4 days. So the last thing we're going to talk about is grafting. We're going to be actually introducing you to the new stem cell grafting line, live stem cells. And that portion of the lecture is done by Dr. Brown. Really cool stuff, a lot of fun. And they're actually products that we use daily now. So that's a little bit about the meat and potatoes, a lot of case discussion. And I invite you to come to Scottsdale and join us for 3 hours. Let's have some fun and see if we can improve dentistry and have a great night. All right, thanks for listening, guys. Talk soon.